Oh, oh my god, we're at the cinema. Got some sweet potatoes, some normal white potato. I'm gonna take the apple, pear and ginger one. No jalapenos, no sour cream, no honestly got my groove again and I'm so much more energized. Happy Monday guys, and start of a new weekly vlog. This is the last week of my mini cart, which I'm so excited for. I feel like by like week 6 you start to kind of get over it and you're like, oh, I could really just go like a big juicy burger or something. But anywho, this is last week of my mini cart, so I thought I would start the vlog today. I'm actually about to go have a picnic with a friend, so I thought I would pack a few snacks and show you guys what I'm taking. The picnic was like a last minute decision, so I don't actually have any like real kind of food to take. So I'm gonna take this cheddar popcorn. This is my favorite snack of all time. I'm gonna take that. I've got a couple lollies left from the weekend and she loves lollies, the friends I'm going with, so I'm gonna take those. I think I'm also gonna cut up some apples, take some kombuchas. I'm gonna take the apple, pear and ginger one. Again, another fave. I think that's about it. It's kind of like 3 p.m. so I've already had lunch and it's kind of just like something to snack on while we chat. So I'm gonna pack that now and then head to the park. Good morning guys and happy Tuesday. I've just made myself a little protein smoothie for lunch. I actually haven't filmed anything this morning because I was filming a morning routine for my channel, so I'm not sure if it'll be up before this video or afterwards, but definitely keep your eyes peeled if it's not already up. I just kind of wanted to showcase what I do in the morning to get myself ready for like a productive, motivating kind of day. So, oh, I just broke my chair. I don't have a lot on for the rest of the day. I just literally have client calls until 6 p.m. so I'll probably just sit at my desk for the rest of the day, and I will also do a lower body workout this afternoon, so I'll show you guys when I do that. But yeah, no real updates.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm up to you. Used to pay to my love life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer.
Saturday, guys. I have not filmed anything, I don't think, since I want to say Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know why. I just feel like my mood has been a little bit all over the place this week. Probably just lockdown life kind of getting to me, and yeah, just like a lot of stress with work, trying to find a house, and being in lockdown all tied in together. I just wasn't really feeling myself, so I didn't pick up the camera and really vlog anything. But yesterday I woke up feeling so much better after taking like more of a chill day the day before. I just worked from the couch that day and it made me feel a lot more relaxed and less overwhelmed, so that was really nice. But I thought I would pick up my camera today and keep filming a few clips because I don't really think I've got much footage this week. So yeah, it's Saturday morning, it's around lunchtime, and we're just about to hop in the car and go for a drive down the coast. We're now allowed to travel 15 kilometers, which is wild. And it's crazy that that is what we're now excited for. Like, I used to be someone who lived for the weekends. Like, I just love knowing that I've got something on, and like it helps me just like get through the week, and I'm so excited to have things to do. And I guess in lockdown you don't really have that option. You can't really make plans or do anything, so it's so nice to know that with the restrictions easing slightly, we can kind of make a little bit more plans. So yeah, we're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna get some takeaway lunch. I'm feeling like GYG, but there is none in our location, which is so sad. So we're gonna get sombreros instead, which I feel like is pretty similar. And there, that is it. Hello. You guys are so cute. Peanut. Alright, worst camera angle ever, but it's the only spot that will not move my camera. So we're about to order our sombreros. I'm gonna go for a burrito bowl with chicken, no jalapenos, no sour cream, no guac, no salsa.
It's not a burrito bowl anymore.
I know. I don't know why I'm bothering. It's basically chicken and rice, but it's gonna be amazing. And then what do you want, sir? Got like a burrito bowl?
Yeah.
Beef, sour cream and stuff is fine?
Mm-hmm.
Guac is fine?
Yep.
Easy.
Guac is good.
Is that not the best sound in the world? Oh my god. We're at the cinema. That is so good. Doing our grocery shop, so I thought I would show you a quick grocery haul. I feel like it's been a while since I've showed you one, so let me turn the camera around. Over here we have the fresh produce. We've got some baby spinach, lettuce, a red onion. We've got a bunch of different fruits, and I also got this frozen one because I've been really craving like a tropical smoothie lately. I've got my yogurts. I think this one's a new one. again, tropical flavor. I don't know what's going on there. We've got some straws, we've got some sweet potatoes, some normal white potato, broccoli. For dinner this week, we're gonna have beef burgers with the chips, and then we're gonna have a Thai green curry with this chicken and a teriyaki like nourish bowl with this one. We've got some bread, some sandwich thins for the burgers. I've got popcorn, my almond milk. This is my little sweet treat for the week. I saw one of my clients have this and it sounded so good, so I'm excited to give these a go. And then my dessert this week is going to be waffle cones with this ice cream. This stuff is so good. Highly recommend. I just wanted to end out this vlog with a little, I guess, body update post 8 week. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I posted like a before and after, which I will post right here. But I'll just quickly show you guys in like a video form as well, if I can. So this is, I guess, my stomach. I'm in front of a window, so it's like not the best lighting. And then on the side, I couldn't even flex. That's how painful my bloating was back then. So yeah, I can't. So my legs are looking a little bit leaner. They've always been my biggest problem area anyway, so I didn't really expect to lose any weight there, and I feel like my arms look the exact same. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this whole mini cut series. I honestly found my groove again and I'm so much more energized. I feel so much healthier, happier. I'm really glad I just decided to do it and kind of find my feet again, because in the lockdown I really just felt like I was being almost lazy. Like I stopped going for my daily walks, I wasn't exercising as much, I was ordering more takeaway foods. So I'm just really happy that I managed to, I guess, come back to like myself again and just be more mindful of food choices and to make sure I move my body every single day, whether that's a walk or a proper workout. And yeah, speaking of walk, I'm about to go for my morning walk now, but if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!